Hello, beautiful souls. If you've been called to do a reset, to have a bit of a cleanse, then this is a great introductory cleanse. But also, even if you've done these before, I think it's a really good to do mini cleanses here and there, just to reset us, not just physically, but emotionally. But if you are feeling bloated, if you're feeling heavy, or just off in your gut lately, then this video is for you. I'm sharing my simple 3-day green juice protocol. A great reset, a raw, hydrating, bloat relief plan you can start tomorrow. It's no complicated recipes, no expensive powders, just fresh, raw, living juices. All designed to reset your digestion and calm your entire nervous system. I personally would start each morning with 500 ml to 1 litre of warm lemon water. You can use lime, but lemon seems to be much more pulling of waste. So I highly recommend doing this on a daily basis. Personally, it does start your day good, having something come through that's such as astringent, like a lemon, that flushes your system, hydrates you, and preps your digestion for the day ahead. Now, I would wait at least 30 minutes until your juice. Generally for me, I usually leave it around 3 or 4 hours. But if this is new for you, or you just feel called, listen to your body, enjoy the green juices, have as much as you care for. I always aim for around 3 to 4 litres of green juices per day. Now, for the first green juice, I've actually been starting with just plain celery juice. Now, I've learned, and this might be a great tip for you, because I don't know if you are like, celery juice has always been disgusting. But I've learned, do not juice the leaves, just juice the stems. And it's okay. It's bearable. For me, I actually don't mind it at all. And it's quite nice. And it's something I'm going to regularly put into my diet. So aim for around 500 mils, even 1 litre of celery juice if you wish. Failing that, if you don't want to do that, that's totally fine. Just have cucumber, celery and lemon, because you might find the mix might be better for your palate. This is hydrating, alkalizing, and super gut friendly. If you do have access to fresh young coconuts, then drink that after this as well, because this really does help cleanse. It's really replenishing for the gut lining. Now, whenever you feel called, it could be mid-morning, have another celery juice or this green juice. In the afternoon is when I start adding more mixtures. So my base is generally always lemon, celery, cucumber. But then I add in sometimes apple if it's too bitter for you. Add in the sweetness. Enjoy the apples. They're very hydrating and really, really makes it nice and sweet. So up to you with the ratios. I can put the ratios in the description box below. I'm in Thailand, so price-wise, it's all dependent on how much you want to invest. But on average, I was spending for 3 to 4 litres of these juices per day, around 600 to 700 Thai baht, which is about $20, I think. So when I'm adding these other mixtures, it's just like herbs such as parsley, coriander, mint, turmeric if you wish. You could even try and have pineapple as well. Enjoy the juicing of the pineapple, that goes really well. And sometimes I do like to add in some shots of ginger, cucumber and lemon, but that's totally up to you. And this is all I have for the 3 days. I actually ended up doing a whole 7 days because I just felt so good on it. I felt really nourished at a deep cellular level. If you find the detox is way too strong for you, then you can bring in papaya or some other fruits if you wish. Even carrot juice can slow detox, but not take away the great results that you'll receive from this cleanse. Papaya is so good for your digestion as well, and it's something I incorporate regularly if you can get a delicious ripe papaya. I know in some countries, some places, you're not going to have access to that. So the goal is to have no oils, no salt, no vinegar, just clean, simple, living foods to reset your digestion. If you want to add in, before you go to bed, a nice warm herbal tea, not caffeine, but you can enjoy fennel, peppermint, chamomile, no sweetness, just pure soothing goodness. Here's some recommendations on your cleanse is to drink the juice, but don't swallow at first. Take your time, let the enzymes start to realize, okay, we're getting something coming in and we want to break it down. Ideally, little fiber as possible, pure juice. It's not a smoothie, it's a juice. It bypasses the liver and goes straight into the cells. That's what we want, and less on the digestion. I'd recommend no water 30 minutes before or after your juices. Let the juices do the work. Remember, no salt, no oil, no vinegar, no caffeine. Juice in calm. So when you are drinking your juices, be present. No scrolling, no reading. Sit outside, watch the dogs, watch nature. Enjoy the moment of really embracing what you are doing. So no distractions, just full presence. Support your digestion with gentle walks, breath work, or some sun time. So remember, if the detox gets so intense, have a carrot juice, enjoy a papaya, whole papaya. You can juice it if you wish, or you can enjoy the whole papaya. It's enzyme rich, great for digestion. And that's it, a simple 3-day green juice reset that you can start tomorrow. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you do want to do this, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on the bell notification to be notified of when the next videos are. Be feel and stay Rawlicious.